Hey, good morning, y'all. Welcome to day 2 of the 3-day Pennsylvania ride. I'm over here in Wellsboro, PA, and today we're going to Milford. So it's gonna be about a 4.5 hour ride. Should be pretty good. It's a little cool outside in mid-50s, so I'm gonna bundle up a little bit and hope for the best. Follow along.
And we're off. Feels like the first day of fall out here. Low 60s right now. Got some cold weather gear on. Feels great. So, plan today, we're gonna take 6 east for about 170 miles or so and go into Milford. We're entering the town of Mansfield right now, and I forgot from my prior ridings of Route 6 that it takes you through quite a few just smaller towns or rural, so we need to see what the local areas has to offer. We're over the Susquehanna right now. Y'all can see that. Oh, we've got a fisherman out there. Yeah, fly fisherman. Very neat. Alright, we're coming up to another small little town here. Really seems about every 10 or 15 miles there's another small town, and then just some farms and small town farms. Sort of nice. Feels a good change of scenery. That may just be about it for this small town. Well, we made a wrong turn, but there's a little bit of gravel, so first time I've had my new tires on gravel. Seems a little bit odd. There's gravel here. It's just not. We're not in the middle of nowhere. Well, came to a quick end there. This supposedly is Pennsylvania's largest lake. Oh, didn't get to see it very long. Alright, so it turns out our hotel is about 10 minutes outside of the town of Milford. So what we're going to do is we're going to go check in our hotel, drop some of our stuff, look for some restaurants, and head back out and try to get some food. Figured that'd probably be better than just driving around finding somewhere that looks good. So yeah. Alright. So that's where we'll be staying. The Hampton Inn of Milford there.
Well, y'all, just got some dinner back in the hotel room, and I'm pretty exhausted, so I'm gonna end it here. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good night.